Alright, robot. Problem of the day is this thing. This here is some cheap Frigidaire dishwasher. And from time to time this thing plugs up. The stuff here is not the source of the problem, although sometimes it gets stuck up in there. But what really is the source of the problem is that thing right there, which gets jammed up from time to time. So I'm going to take that thing off, clean it out. It's going to work brilliantly and we're going to be cool. Well, that was unsuccessful. Now we're going to try to empty out that base of that and see if anything's in there. Got to do. There's a little, that looks like a T20 in there. Unscrew that, undo that screen. That's where my fecal matter is. I'll be back in a minute with a tool. is appliance repair brilliance. Lesson is don't put cherry pits down there and clean it out once in a while. Still could stand a little bit of cleaning. All right, we're cool.